Welcome back to Asher Auto Styling. I'm Lucas, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your car keys from this to this. As far as tools go, this project is really easy. All you need is a heat gun, some type of blade to cut the vinyl, and then a tuck tool. That's it. To wrap this properly, we're going to need to clean the surface first. As you'll see, there's some little dirt and grime in there, these little areas, and we're going to be trimming the vinyl in these grooves. So we want to make sure all the dirt is out of there. This is just a 70% isopropyl alcohol solution, just to decontaminate, get rid of all the grease and grime. And you really want to get in all these grooves. So I have my towel, or my microfiber towel, wrapped around the tuck tool, and I'm just pressing that tool into all these grooves. Now that the key's all clean, the basic technique for the partial wrap is we want to stretch the vinyl lengthwise across these chrome pieces so that when it heats up, the vinyl falls into these grooves. So for this piece here, we're going to stretch again this way. We're stretching across the length of the piece. Longer piece goes this way, shorter piece will go this way. These grooves are so small that you can barely see them, but with my blade, I'll show you if I can just put the blade in there. That is how small they are. Just enough to fit the blade in. Now there is plastic in there, so you don't want to cut the plastic. Now, the way you can do that is imagine the plastic is like a balloon underneath the vinyl. Any type of pressure will pop that balloon. You don't want to do that. So if your blade is not cutting when you're going nice and gentle, that's because you don't have a sharp enough blade. So pop off a new piece and make sure your blade is as sharp as it can be to get a nice clean cut. So that's the first piece done, nice and clean. We're going to move on to the last two. This is the key all finished up. Looks much sportier now, pretty cool. One mistake I made, you can see right here, is when I was trying to tuck in the vinyl, I caught it a little too much with the tuck tool and I bunched it up. Now that it's adhesive you're looking at there and it's pretty hard to straighten out, but just be cautious of that when you're trying to tuck in the vinyl. Other than that, for a quick little 10-15 minute project, I think this is a pretty cool way to add some customization to your car. That's it for today's video. If you're trying to match your keys to your car's paint or your car's wrap, hopefully this helps. And thanks for watching.